Hi, today we'll explore the radio buttons in the widget editor. We'll examine their functionality using the macro recorder created in one of the previous lessons as an example. We'll set up different speed modes for it. Let's go to the widget editor. Open the preset list. Go to the toggle category. Add a radio button. Select it. First, we need to add another item and rename the item names. To do this, select Group. Next, select Caption List and Edit manually. Add a third item and edit the names for the 3 speed modes: fast, normal, and slow. Now let's slightly adjust the layout of all the elements. To do this, we need to change the widget grid density. After that, reposition the elements on the screen. Now let's link the plugin we used last time. Select Action, then Tab, and Plugin. Open the list of plugins. Select the Macro Automation category, then Macro Recorder V2, and Speed. All that's left is to set a speed value for each item. In the navigation bar, select Edit Values. The speed is set to a value between 0 and 100, where 0 corresponds to the default recording speed and 100 corresponds to the maximum possible speed. We'll set this value for the first option. For the second option, we'll set the value to 50. And for the third option, we'll leave the default speed at 0. Done. You can now save and test it. On my computer, I opened the spreadsheet we created in the first lesson on using the macro recorder. We've already added the names of cryptocurrencies and their exchange rates as of that time. Now I want to enter the current exchange rate in column C, and I want column D to show the percentage difference between the previous values and the current ones. I've already added the appropriate formula to this column. Let's start recording. Press Ctrl+Tab to open the next tab in the browser. Select the exchange rate by double-clicking it. Copy it using the Ctrl+C key combination. Go back to the spreadsheet and paste it using the Ctrl+V key combination. Move to the next cell and return to the browser. You can stop the recording now. Note that the percentage change in the exchange rate has appeared in the last column. Now, in fast mode, we'll transfer 3 more cryptocurrencies to the spreadsheet. We'll run the macro recorder and watch it work. In slow mode, we'll transfer the remaining 2 cryptocurrencies. This mode is useful for those with a slow computer. In that case, the operating system might not be able to keep up with activating Windows in fast mode. This way, you can set any playback speed for the recording and use your custom macro recorder for work and gaming. Check out my other tutorials as well. In them, I cover the rest of the useful features of keyboard extension.